amores, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to create this makeup look right here. This is very beginner friendly. Anybody can do this. It looks like it takes forever, but honestly this is only 3 colors. It's very easy to do and you're gonna look like you took forever to do your makeup when really it didn't take that long. So without further ado, let's get to the video. For my primer, I'm going to be using the yall Poreless Body Primer, and I'm going to be putting that all over my face. Then for my eyebrows, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild retractable brow pencil. I'm going to be doing a very natural brow. I want to keep my eyebrows very simple so they don't attract too much attention. I want the eyes to be mainly the focus. For my concealer, I'm going to be using the Knit Skin Stop One Stop Concealer, and I'm going to carve the bottom of my eyebrows with this and also put it on my eyelid to serve as a base for my eyeshadow. I'm just going to take some of my face powder and I'm just going to set my concealer up. So the palette that I'm going to be using today is the Unconditional palette by Dominique. So the first shade that I'm going to be using is the shade Corazon, and I'm going to be using this shade and putting it all over my eyelid as a wash of color with a really fluffy brush. I'm going to be taking the color Jaden and I'm going to be using a really small flat brush. I'm going to take it from my lash line and following my lash line up as if I was creating a wing. I'm going to be taking the shade Warm Hearted and I'm going to be using this fluffy flat brush. I'm going to take that shade and I'm going to place it right above where we did that line, and I'm just going to diffuse the color. I'm going to dab the color first and then I'm going to drag it towards my crease and my lid. I'm going to go back with the shade Jaden and I'm going to add a little bit more because we lost some of the color while blending. Now I'm going to be taking the color Love and Light and I'm going to put that on my inner corners. And the lashes that I'm going to be using today is this Natural Light Wispy Lashes from Ioni. I'm going to be using the Milk Long Wear Gel Liner and I'm going to be putting it on the waterline. Now I'm going to go back with the Knit Skin Stop One Stop Concealer and I'm going to clean up my shadow right here, just making straight line with the concealer. So for my foundation, I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Flawless Satin Foundation. And using the same concealer from earlier, I'm just going to take some and put it under my eyes. And I'm not going to take too much of this, just a little bit, because I want to keep the makeup really natural. Now for my blush, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Makeup Stick Blush in the color Floral Majority. Now I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Translucent Powder and I'm going to set my whole entire face. Next I'm going to go in with the Ice Beauty Bronze in Paradise palette. I'm going to be using the Natasha Denona Cupid Chic Duo and I'm going to be using the highlighter in this palette. I'm going to be taking the NYX Vivid Matte Liquid Eyeliner in the color White and I'm going to be creating 3 little hearts on my cheekbone. For my lips, I'm going to be using the Luna Magic Hydrating Lip Balm in the color Sherry. Now I'm just gonna set everything with the Milani Make It Last Original Natural Finish Setting Spray. And this is the final look, guys. This is a very easy, very simple Valentine's Day makeup look that anybody can do, very beginner friendly. And I really hope you guys enjoy this video and find it very easy to follow along. This is only 3 colors and it really looked like it took forever to do your makeup, but honestly it does not take that long. Please give it a like because it helps me out a lot if you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching all the way to the end. Make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell so you can get notified every time I post. And till next time, be happy and smile.